Hi guys, let's explore some more of the Grand Tableau and let me reveal to you another secret that the oracle holds. Since I've done the first video on this Grand Tableau, I have a lot of questions coming up, and many of you are trying to read this Grand Tableau. This is amazing, and I really encourage you to try to decode the Grand Tableau, because the Grand Tableau is not only cards laying down on the table. It's a magical map, okay, a magical map that really can help you understand where the person is and where he is heading and what are the concerns that he is in. So we have looked at the secret, we had looked at the honesty. This is a relationship reading. A woman that is interested in a man, the man is interested in her also, but she's feeling that the man is keeping something from her. So this is why we're doing this reading. So how will we know what are his profound profound self, or his things that he wants to bury or really wants to hide deeper than the book? So this card, the card that will represent that, will be the coffin. The coffin is the card that represents things that we want to bury, things that we want to get rid of. It's also a card of termination, of ending, of transformation, metamorphosis as well. So we will look at the coffin and we will look at the card that is beneath it. This is the fox, and the card that is up, which is the snake. So he wants to hide his lies. Okay, this would be what he's thinking of, let's say, and this is what he will do. Okay, so he will continue to hide his mask, try to do a double role, double play, and he continues to manipulate. So this person should really be cautious about this man, because we have seen secret here about being already in a relationship, perhaps already married, and he's keeping that from our seeker. We see that he had been dishonest, and what he wants to hide, what he wants to bury, what he really wants not to get at the surface of is his lie and his his play.